Hello, and welcome to In Control SIMBA tutorials. In this video, we are going to go over running a simulation in SIMBA Sharp. I'm going to open a model of a simple wastewater treatment plant. If you would like to know how to set up this wastewater treatment plant, refer to the In Control SIMBA tutorial, Setting Up a Simple Wastewater Treatment Plant. To run the model, set the runtime here. I'm going to run the simulation for 200 days. Press the green play button in order to start the simulation. Once the simulation has run, in the console tab, you will see Simulation Done and a time. You can find the results of this simulation in the Results tab on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on a stream or block you are interested in seeing the results for. For example, if you click on the Outlet stream, the Results tab will show me the results in this stream. The first set of results are state variables, up until the flow rate. The next section are the load variables, which include things like total COD, total nitrogen, and total phosphorus. You can also click on the reactors and gain information from what is happening inside them, as you can see here. The same is true for the secondary clarifier. In the top ribbon, there is a slider that adjusts which day in the simulation you would like to display. If you click and hold on the slider and move it from side to side, you can see the results change. The window to the left of the slider displays which day of the simulation you are displaying. And that is how to run a simulation in SIMBA. Thank you for listening to this In Control SIMBA Sharp tutorial.